Where is ICCT going next, and should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on FG merger stock? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all below 2 minutes time. And to do all of this, I'm going to use a strategy that has previously gotten me 300 plus wins in the last 7 months. So, first thing that we always focus on, this is obviously the kind of the trend and the structure that we're in, and what the funds are actually putting into place. By the way, this for the last 3 days has been just going parabolic, right? First starting on 28th of August, that was Monday, went up 700% yesterday, 254 today, we're going 85% up. Right? It's crazy. It's crazy how much of a month we're actually scaling in with ICCT. By the way, this is obviously not financial advice. After making 12,000 videos on this channel, 3 years and thousands of hours behind this craft, I've seen a common pattern recurring, and I'm basically sharing it with you and what has actually working for me. This is not financial advice by any means. Following the trend, right? So the price still is in a kind of a bearish trend until we actually close above this high. Now, when I say close, this is actually going to have to survive tomorrow, okay? And if it actually closes tomorrow and then September actually opens up above the high, then for me, this is a bullish range. This is why I'm actually still waiting right now. I think after these huge highs that we made, the price could easily even come back low as like 95 cents or whatever to kind of fill in the gaps. But for right now, I'm waiting and waiting for the confirmation. We might as well just maybe still continue to put in some upside moves, but I will not say that I'm just going to wait. My rules are not met, so there is no point to make a prediction. Now, if you want to have clarity and follow a strategy set of rules, check out my first link in the description. It's 100% free.